Have you ever followed a recipe to bake a cake? You mix ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and then bake them. Web programming is similar. It's like having a recipe for building websites. Just like a recipe guides you to bake a cake, web programming guides you to create awesome websites. Intrigued? Let's dive in and understand the magic behind web development. Web programming is the art of writing instructions for computers to create websites. These instructions are written in special languages that computers understand, just like we use languages to communicate. These languages help build the websites we use every day. Now let's explore the two main ingredients of web programming: front-end and back-end. Imagine decorating a cake. You start with a plain base and then add layers of frosting, sprinkles, and fruits to make it look irresistible. You use frosting, sprinkles, and fruits to make it look appealing. Front-end programming is similar. Just like a cake, a website needs to be visually attractive and engaging. It's about making websites look good and feel smooth for users. A well-designed website can captivate visitors and keep them coming back. Front-end developers use languages like HTML. It's like the cake's base, giving it structure and content. Without HTML, there would be no foundation for your website. CSS. Think of it as the frosting and decorations, making the website look stylish. CSS adds colors, fonts, and layouts to make the site visually appealing. JavaScript. It adds interactivity, like making buttons clickable or animations smooth. JavaScript brings the website to life, making it dynamic and engaging for users. Section 4. Backend, the secret sauce of web applications. Remember the cake's ingredients? Just like a cake needs flour, sugar, and eggs to come together perfectly, web applications need their own set of ingredients to function seamlessly. Backend programming is like those hidden ingredients that make the cake delicious. Without them, the cake would be bland and unappealing. Similarly, without a robust backend, a web application would be non-functional and ineffective. It's the behind-the-scenes work that makes websites functional. The backend is responsible for the logic, database interactions, and server configurations that users never see but rely on every time they visit a site. Backend developers use languages like PHP or Python to store and manage data, ensuring that everything from user information to transaction records is handled securely and efficiently, like keeping track of user logins. They create systems that authenticate users, manage sessions, and protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Or products in an online store. They process requests, updating inventories, managing orders, and ensuring that the right data is displayed to the right user at the right time. When you search for something on a website, the backend fetches the results. It queries the database, processes the information, and sends it back to the front end to be displayed. The backend fetches the results, ensuring that the data is accurate and up to date, and they ensure everything runs smoothly. Backend developers monitor server performance, optimize code, and troubleshoot issues to keep the application running without a hitch. It's the engine that powers the website from behind the scenes. Without a well-maintained backend, even the most beautiful frontend would fail to deliver a good user experience. Section 5. Ready to cook up your own website? Let's dive into the fascinating world of web development. Both front-end and back-end are essential ingredients for a successful website. The front-end is what users see and interact with, while the back-end is the engine that powers the site. Front-end makes it look appealing, ensuring a great user experience with beautiful design and responsive layouts, while back-end ensures everything works seamlessly, handling databases, server logic, and user authentication. Learning web programming opens up a world of possibilities. You can collaborate with others, bring your ideas to life, and solve real-world problems. You can build your own website, create web applications, and showcase your skills to the world. And even pursue a career in the ever-growing field of technology. The demand for skilled web developers is higher than ever. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting coding adventure? The journey of learning to code is challenging but incredibly rewarding.